Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Cloud with Vivek. So guys, this is day 4 of our DevOps English series. So today we are going to cover one of the most commonly used Linux command. That command is ls command. So first of all, there is a question, what is exactly ls command? So guys, ls command is basically used to list content of any folder. Like in your Windows, you are going to open any folder. So I have book folder, so you will open so you can see what content is inside this folder. Same thing, if you want to list content of any folder in your Linux, so how you will do? So guys, we will use ls command for this. So I hope this will be clear. Next, what is syntax of ls command? So guys, the syntax is for ls command, first of all, command, after that option, and after that path, that for which path you want to execute your ls command, right? So guys, the command is ls, and after that option like hyphen l hyphen a, these are the option, and path, so I said inside etc, so I can see the content inside etc, right? So let's come and we will do practical about it. So guys, here first of all, you can see that this is the what my directory. So I want to list that what content is in current location. So guys, in current location there is no data, but if you will ls slash etc, that means I am going to list the content of etc directory. So you can see that these are the files and directories inside this, right? You can see inside this. Same thing, if you want to ls content of slash home directory, so you can see the content about home directory, that what files or directories are available inside home, this one. Second thing guys, there is ls hyphen a option. So what it will do, it will list hidden and unhidden files both. So you can see that these are the hidden files, but there is no unhidden file. So there is no result of unhidden, but hidden files are there, so you can see the hidden files. Same thing guys, if you want to list all these things in long detail, like when created, who is the owner, and all this, so hyphen l option is useful. So you can see that what is the permission, who is the owner, and when created, what is its inode number, everything information is provided. Same thing guys, if you want to get inode number only, so you can use here ia. So I for inode, a for all. So you can see here that these are the what inode number of these files, right? So we can list inode number of this one. Same thing guys, if you want to list content of inside etc with long detail, so you can see hyphen l option. So you can see this. But if you want to list inode number, so l and I for inode number, l for long list. So you can see that these are the inode number of these files. So I hope this will be clear for you. Same thing, if you want to list home directory of your home folder, so you can see that what is there is home directory, there is no. So you can see this is the our option. After that, if you want to list with sorted modification time, so you can ls, and after that you want to newest file or largest file. So if you want to get largest file, then you have to use capital S. What you have to use? Capital S, and after that etc. So these will arrange your data according to largest file size. After that, here if you want to get latest file information, that which one created, so it will arrange according to latest. So guys, this is the what, this is the our ls command. So I hope ki this will be clear for you. So keep continue learning with my YouTube channel Cloud with Vivek, as well as subscribe and share my videos with your friends and your LinkedIn connection. So it will motivate me. So lots of thank you, and we will meet on next video. Thank you, to all the best.